Have you ever bought a kick and never worn it? Now, it sounds like a strange question, but in the realm of sneakerheads, or just, well, yeah, let's just sneakerheads, it happens all the time. Let's get into this. Yes, people, welcome back, man. I'm happy to be here. I'm happy for you to see me. I was going to say for me to see you, but obviously that's not going to happen because it's YouTube. But if you don't know already, my name is Patrick T. I do reviews on all kind of kicks and trainers, and my goal is basically to help you decide whether or not to cop or drop. That's it. I don't, if I help you, wicked. One person, I'm good. So if you haven't already, please like, subscribe, hit notification bell so it lets you know when I've uploaded new videos. And let's just get into this. Now, like I said to you, buying a kick and not wearing it is kind of the norm for a lot of sneakerheads. Now, it's not because we're just buying them and we don't want them. We want them. Trust me, we go through a lot to try and get them. We enter a lot of raffles. But when we get them, we want that moment, We want that moment to wear them. Speaking from my point of view, obviously. But when I was a kid, man, you give me a trainer, I'm in it. Man, I'm wearing that from the shop if I could. My mum would never let me, but I'm wearing that from the shop. When you start collecting and you get stuff, you kind of want to wear it when it's right. But sometimes you end up not wearing them at all. So I decided to look back in 2023 and see exactly what kicks I hadn't worn. I've been good, I've been good because I could only find 5. Now, I think that's pretty good. I'm not saying how much I bought during the year, but 5 is good. That means I've worn a lot of them. I've worn 99% of my trainers when I bought them. So I'm happy with that. But I decided to have a look and see what ones I hadn't worn. Reasons why, if there is one. And would I wear them? That's a question. Would I wear them? It's a strange question when I bought them, but it's a question. We have to go back to early 2023 and we're talking Air Max Day. If you remember, they released the Air Max Infrared Big Bubble and they went wild. They had parties. Nighttown the whole floor was taken over at nighttime. You could do arts and crafts, design a t-shirt, I think it was, DJ mixing, all sorts of shenanigans. Offspring in Selfridges changed their whole area and they gave you a book, a bag. You got a little man, an Offspring man. Hold on. You got this little Offspring man. You get him in red and white, which went with the kicks. And all the other shops are doing things. Size in Carnaby Street did little things and whatever. This was the kick, the Air Max original Big Bubble. I've done a review on these already, so I'm not going to go into them and what they are, but it's the first prototype of the Air Max, which the bubble was massive. That's what it basically was. You can see it really, but it's definitely an Air Max 1, apart from the Big Bubble. Why I didn't wear these, I don't know. The maddest thing about this, I've actually worn my other infrareds. So there was a time where I wanted to wear Air Max 1s in a red and white colorway, but I didn't pick these out of the box. I kind of forgot I had them, if I'm honest. I don't know why I didn't wear them, but I will. I promise you. Not that you really care if I do. No, I know you care. You want to know what trainers I'm wearing. Air Max, Big Bubble, Infrared. First ones I never wore. Okay, so the next kick is a bit of a strange one for me because I didn't actually care if I got them, which is mad. It's not mad, but I wasn't that upset if I didn't get them, but I wanted them. I think this is why I haven't worn them. We have to go to 20th of May 2023, and these were released based on a movie of the Miles Morales Spider-Man, the next chapter, Across the Spider-Verse. I think it's right, Across the Spider-Verse. These were released for £180. Again, massive fanfare. There was screenings of the movie. SNS did stuff. I just remember all other shops and thinking they were kind of, well, if I got them, I believe they were quite easy to cop. Sounds mad, but I can't cop a damn thing. But these are the ones we're talking about. The Miles Morales, Across the Spider-Verse. I've done a review on these. Already. The bottoms glow. I haven't got my light to show you. I haven't worn these because I don't know how to wear them. if I'm on it. I know it's a red and white kick. I feel like it's a red and white summer kick, if you know what I mean. And yes, May was there and I should have put them on, but I just never did. But there we have it. The Jordan 1, Miles Morales, Spider-Man Next Chapter, Across the Spider-Verse. These retail for £180. Jordan 1s, £180. So, I got their money. Jordan got their money. So the next kicks released in the beginning of August. There weren't no hype behind these kicks. They still put them on a sneaker app, like they seem to do all the time. I'm talking about the Jordan 13 Wolf Grey. These released for £190. And like I said, they went on a sneaker app. I copped them on a sneaker app, so they were easy to cop. Now, these are clean. There was no hype behind this. It's just I always like the Jordan 13s. The bread colours, wicked. For me, this is a clean colour. And I remember doing a review on this and realising, because it's so clean, so pure, I could never wear this unless it's summer. That's the reason why I haven't worn these. There was never a time or a place to go where I was just going to throw these on and risk dirty rainwater or whatever getting on these clean grey suede. The leather's cool, innit? I can wipe the leather, but the grey suede and... So the fourth kick, which I never wore, is not a hype kick. It's the Jordan 1 Low Atmosphere Grey. It's just a clean kick, you know? It reminds me of the colours what Travis Scott uses. Not the olive, obviously, because that's a blacken, but the lighter colours and whatever. But it's just a clean kick, what you can wear at a bar or something like that. Again, kind of a summer kick because it's white and grey. Sorry, I didn't even hold it up. I don't even know why I never showed you it. But this is it. Now, the leather's cool in it. You've got a little bit of a tumble leather. You've got a bit of cracked leather on the toe box. I haven't even done a review on these, but I will do a review on them because I want to wear them. What I don't like about them, which kind of put me off, is that they put that kind of, that yellow in, like paint. What they put on blazers, you know, the night blazers? They put that yellow in around the midsole, and I don't know why they just didn't keep it clean. When I put them on, my left foot felt very tight around here. I didn't lace them up, as you can see, but it did make me think, I'll come back to those. If you know what I mean? I'll give them a try again in a minute, because I've just opened up the box. I put them on like I normally do. I want to see if they fit right before I have to send them back to get a new size. And the left foot felt a bit tight. It pinched. I didn't like that. I had that in my Jordan 4 black canvas. I can't remember the call them, but the canvas ones, which are completely black, look bread colour. They mashed me up, man. I wore them for a day and it mashed me up. You remember that pain? You're never going to go back to that pain. So I haven't given these a chance. I'll be honest with you. I haven't given them a chance, but I will do. I need to do a review on them as well. So I think I'm going to do, shall I do a monthly review? Like, monthly use, wear them, crease them, let you know how they go. I feel like this is just a bit of a different leather to a normal Jordan 1 low. So it'll be interesting. And if that pinch is there, I'm not going up half a size or anything for that, because I'm a man size now and half a size up is just a bit too much in my eyes. I don't look down and see my feet 10 feet in front of me. Do you know what I mean? That's it. The Jordan 1 Atmosphere Grey, £145. I never wore them because they hurt me. So, the final kick I ever wore in 2023 is a Nocta Air Force 1 Certified Lover Boy. Air Force 1s. So if you're new to the channel, you know I've got a love-hate relationship with Air Force 1s. Now, I like them, but I don't like them. Now, I like them because it's an Air Force 1, man. It's a classic kick. You used to be able to pick these up and, you know what I mean, do your thing. That you clean new Air Force 1, you're always looking fresh. The problem with them is they've got a life expectancy and they expire. Do you know what I mean? Like, if you wear these and that crease in the toe box comes, something happens to them where they just, like, the freshness, the love and the being of the Air Force 1 seems to, like them, you know, them cartoons where they die and then the angel comes out and they've got the wings on and it flies away. It's like the soul leaves it. It's like the life soul of the Air Force 1 leaves it after 5 to 10 wears. And I'm being generous here. No matter how much you clean it, whatever, if you got it back to this colour, it would never look this good again. It's a madness. It's the only kick I know what does that. Now I know there's Air Force One people out there going to kill me and say that's rubbish, I don't look after them. But you know it's true. When they die, they die. But when they're fresh like this, oh my God. Ugh. I haven't reviewed these either. Yeah. I haven't worn them because I want to review them. And plus, they're fresh Air Force Ones. So I ain't wearing them in the rain. It just ain't happening. You know what I mean? I know they're all leather and you can wipe them down and all that, blah, 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 blah. It's not happening. It's not happening. So that's why I haven't worn them. I also want to do a review on them. Not a review of how they look in a month's time because they'll be mashed in a month's time. You don't even need a review to know how they wear. They'll be mashed in a month's time. But if you haven't seen these already, they've got Love You Forever on the side where the Nike Air logo used to be. They've got the Air logo on the inside there. And it's a classic Air Force One. The leather's a bit more premium, I would say, than most Air Force One. What I don't like, just a little review for you, is that they got the leather inside or as an inside lining, which I feel like makes your foot a bit hotter. That's why I don't like. I prefer the nylon and what they used to put in the Air Force Ones here. On the back, you've got the Nocta sign there. I don't know if it's different on the other foot. Yeah, on the other foot, you have the traditional Nike Air sign. Obviously, you have the Nocta sign on this foot here, which is the left foot. You also get a pair of 3 laces with it, another pair of laces with it with a metal tag on the lace tips. And you get a bunch of letters on a blue thing here, as you can see. And I don't know if it spells out. I don't know. It's got 1s and 2s and things like that. I don't know if it's the whole alphabet. It doesn't look like it's the whole alphabet. I've done well that there's only 5 kicks I haven't worn. Now, this year, 2024, my goal is to wear every kick I buy. Not even going to let the weather deter me. If I'm feeling it, which is hard because the weather does take a... I'm going to try. I want, by the end of 2024, when we do this video again, this video is about 2 minutes long because I'm going to be saying, I wore every kick. So, let me know what kicks you never wore. If there is any, let me know if it's more than 5. But then relate that and tell me how much you bought. I'm not telling you how much I bought, but you tell me how much you bought and then tell me if it's really bad. Because like you might have bought 20 and only won 1. That's just bad. You know what I mean? Wear your kicks. That's me, man. Patrick T. I'm out of here. Thanks again. If you haven't already, please like, subscribe, hit notification bell. Let you know when I've uploaded new videos. And comment. Let me know. I'm out. Peace.